Hey guys, what's up? So I've been streaming a lot on TikTok lately, and a lot of people are asking me how I'm colouring in my line work so easy by setting out my layers correctly. So this is literally just going to be a 2-minute video for all the people that asked in the last TikTok live that I did how to do it. I said I'd make a video, so here it is. So basically we've got our sketch there, which we'll just delete just for the purpose of this. We've got our line work. So all we have there at the moment in the layers is our line work. We're going to create a new layer. The empty layer we will put underneath the line work. And the line work layer, all we're going to do is set that to a reference. Select the empty layer. Literally now, it's this easy. You just choose a colour. We'll just go with a pink. And you can just drag it into any areas that are all connected with lines. If there's any gaps in your work, it will fill the whole page. So please make sure your line work is absolutely pristine and perfect before you start jumping in, just adding, colours. But yeah, anything that's got a solid outline, you can colour in that easy. There's no need to go in like people were saying in the live, they was colouring like this or duplicating the line work. No need. All you've got to do is that, and then you've got your line work separate for any changes, and again colours separate for any changes that you might need. Hope that helped. Hope it literally is that easy, and I'll see you in the next one.